guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. I'm making these videos to promote our Chenille yarn. So today I'm making a headband using our beautiful hot pink and white. So this is what we will be making. This is the headband. Look at this beauty. Isn't it cute? So this is the original one I made with our ombre Chenille in espresso. So this one is looser. I made the stitches not as tight. So if you can see, it's kind of a little bit more puffier. And this one is a little bit tighter knitting. So it's up to you how you want your headband to look like. So what you will need, you literally will need only half skein of our Chenille yarn. It's available at our website BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com. So go get it and let's get started. Okay guys, so here is the original headband. This is our espresso ombre color, and I made the baby pink flower. So for this one I will be using this hot pink color and white for the flower. So let's do it. So here we go, our hot pink. Find the end, place the end in front of you like that. Don't leave too long of a tail, about probably 10 inches. Place the working yarn tail. Working yarn goes on the top, making a loop. Insert your hand inside the loop, grab working yarn, pull it out. You made first stitch, pull the stitch down to make it smaller. It should be about an inch, maybe even a little bit smaller. And now we will cast on 4 stitches. Insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what we will do now, we will knit these 4 stitches for 28 rows, guys. And this is the average. If you had a smaller, you will need smaller number of rows. If you had this bigger, then bigger. Maybe 1-2 rows less or more. So see what I'm doing. I am inserting, starting this row, I will be skipping first stitch in the row. So I'm inserting my fingers, grabbing working yarn and pulling it out like that. So 3 stitches. Now this direction, skip first, go inside the second. 1, 2, 3. So that's what we'll be doing for 28 rows. Then I will be back. Okay guys, I made 30 rows. I realized that when I was making this one, you can see probably the difference. The stitches are bigger here, the looser stitches here, and much tighter here. So here it was 28, here I made 30 because stitches are tighter. So depending how you knit, if you knit loose, 28 stitches, if you're knitting tighter, 30. So now I will show you the simplest way to connect. Simplest, okay? There are a few different ways, and there is one that is like completely invisible, but it's very complicated. So we will go with the simple one. So remember we kept this tail out. So now you put the headband like that with the tail here. Now insert this tail in the stitch on the left side, out. Okay, now go inside this stitch on the left again, and now see the stitches, we will be going underneath this stitch. Now we're going inside this stitch and then underneath the stitch on the left. There will be a little bit connection, but it's not too bad, okay? So here we are, we're going inside this stitch, inside stitch on the other side, and then we will go inside this stitch from inside out, and then last stitch on the left. Here we are, we connected it. We have now a little tail and working yarn, cut working yarn. I usually burn it to prevent unraveling. And then these two tails, just make a simple knot. 1 and 2. Then I'm cutting the yarn, the tails, close to the knot, and I am burning the ends to prevent unraveling. That's all. This tail can go inside, out of the way, like that. So here we are, our band is ready, headband. See how easy it is? You can use it this way, or you can actually turn it on another side. That looks really nice here too. And this one you can actually sew together or just hide it like that, okay? So let's add the flower. So this will be on the back of your head. So flower should be somewhere on this side and on the side, like from the middle to the right. So I will take my white yarn, and in the middle I will place pink. It's very bright pink, you can hardly see it, so it's almost like white, I mean very light pink. But okay, I will use it like that in the middle, and then I will show you how. So like find any stitch and go around. So one side will go here and another side will go around. So this way we will connect it on the back when we're done, okay? So now we are creating the flower. So we are making the loop like that. See, connected. Now go from underneath and insert it here and take it out, that you would see a stitch, see? And then make a loop or push the other petal of the flower through the next stitch, like that. Then this goes inside of this guy, upside down. This go inside this one. Okay, here you go. So now we do the same, push stitch out, this go inside of this. See what we're doing? We're creating a little flower. So go in here now, petal number 4. This go inside of this. And then one more petal over here. This go inside of this. Here we are. See, we made a little flower here. And what we'll do now, we will cut the yarn inside. I will burn the end. And then we will take this end of the yarn out and inside this stitch, like that. See? And then the tail goes inside. Here we are. Our beautiful flower is ready. And now inside we can finish all of that by cutting the yarn very short, leaving small ends, and then burning it together. It's the easiest way, guys, okay? So these two pinks, burn one, connect between each other, and then these two whites we will do the same. Burn one, and when it's burning, attach this other piece. Here we are. So that is how it will look in the middle. Not really, not bad at all. And here it is. It's done. Hey guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. So good news, guys, my second book is officially published. I called it Hand Knitting 1 or 2 because my original book, Hand Knitting, was released and published in 2001, 4 years ago. So this is my first book, this is my second book. Both are ready and available to purchase on our website, BeCozi.net. Link is underneath the video. And this one is available on Amazon. This one is gonna be available on Amazon next week. So you can purchase both of them either at Amazon with Prime or at our website, BeCozi.net. Go get this amazing book. It's the only book on hand knitting on the craft market from the creator of hand knitting style, me. Thank you.